Hello, beautiful, brilliant black women, Olinda. I hope y'all are all well. Um, and let's get right into it, shall we? Now, look, black women, I truly need y'all to be situationally aware out here, okay? We're going to get into this. And please, please watch your 12, 3, 6, 9, back again to your 12. You hear me? Okay? You're important and you matter. And these motherfuckers don't get to threaten you. You understand? Okay? I don't give a fuck who just became a ghost in they little in the little crossroad demon hierarchy. Okay? I don't give a fuck if it's Chuck Kirk. I don't give a fuck if it's Captain Kirk. I don't give a fuck. And you don't need to either. And ain't nobody gonna make you. Period, plain and fucking simple. Now there it is. Okay. Now, trigger warning, I've been thinking. So let me break off a minute, black women. Olinda. You know I gotta break off and tell these motherfuckers a few things, okay? It's my understanding that in the last 24 hours, since one of you motherfuckers, you Legion, sons of Legion, some white motherfucker took that motherfucker out, that nigga out. Yeah, because niggas come in every single solitary color y'all make up. They do. And he was one. You don't get to come here or anywhere and level threats to black women because they're not shedding tears for a motherfucker who did his best work at getting us killed. So, to be clear, that motherfucker was my enemy. And you know why? Because he's the enemy of Olinda and Olindari. Tanabi. Huh? I don't give a fuck about Murnath. Don't. Sure don't. Really don't. Now, let's break off for a second. Talk to these motherfuckers. Unlike most black women, because most black women are so compassionate, so kind. We are highly evolved. The reason black women, they keep telling you not to, oh, you be into emotion, you in your feelings or whatever. Just because they can't, just because their brains they don't have the capability to have emotions. They just have feelings, like a snake or a lizard or something. Okay? Or better yet, my favorite description of them: a virus plus a bacteria. Amoeba don't give a fuck. Okay? They don't have no higher emotions because they don't have a limbic system. Your limbic system, black women, is highly evolved. Just by the mere fact that you're millions, actually more, old. And them motherfuckers made out of mud men or the dead rib of a mud man or whatever the fuck they claiming happened about, I don't know, 6,000 years ago. How? Girl, no. Absolutely not. That's not you. That's not you. They're dead things. Okay? That's why almost everything they do is and celebrate is around savaging, violating, stealing, and destroying others. And he was at the top of that list of being a destroyer. Oh, Chuck. You know that boy, I call him the Count, or I used to when he was, okay. Anyway, I call him the Count because he looked like the Count on Sesame Street. Okay. Black women are just, you're just so loving and so caring. And no one's going to be coming around here threatening you. Okay? Mm-mm. No, we don't accept that kind of bullshit at all. No. Mm-mm. So what I'm going to do is give these motherfuckers a little message. Listen here. Bring that shit over here to me. It's not, most 99.9% of black women are so kind, are so compassionate. And y'all don't deserve not 1 ounce of that shit. Okay? Nothing. You deserve both my feet up your okay. Not my feet, because y'all are disgusting. I couldn't put my feet nowhere near your nasty ass. Okay, but anywho, I digress. How dare you motherfuckers think you can come out your motherfucking maw with your little forked tongues and say anything to Olindati and Olinda, much less threaten them because they ain't shedding a tear about a motherfucker that went around trying to destroy them. You've lost your ever living 1-celled fucking brain. Now, here's the thing. None of them are the monsters with all them stereotypes and bullshit lies that y'all made up. None of them. None of these black women are that. They're not that. Okay, most of them. I, on the other hand, don't give a fuck. So you want to you want to come with some threats? Motherfuckers, don't bother. Just bring your ass on over here. Drop your addy. Because I'm about that shit. Oh, yeah. I can shed my humanity. I am the monster that you motherfuckers have been saying all of Olindati and Olinda are. Oh, no. No, no, no. It's only me. There are no other racist black women. I'm the only racist black woman on this planet, bitch. Because I see racism is a system of power, and I am powerful. So I deny white people access to the most important fucking resource, the fifth element of this planet. I deny them access to black women and black girls. So see, this is why I've been telling y'all as black women, you listen, apply to come over to GON. Okay? I believe it's in the description of this platform. It is a Google form. We vet heavily in order to be with us, because I don't take prisoners. I don't negotiate. And I don't allow Legion, Sons of Legion, fucking black males, fucking whoever for Trump, blue bracelet wear, none of these motherfuckers can come. None of them. I mean, none. It is a genius zone for black women, black femmes, and black girls. Okay? You don't have to put up with this shit. You do not have to get with them. You do not have to prostrate yourself. You do not need to tie to them or any of that shit. It's you that they've been trying to be all of this time, or better, harness us. So fuck them. And don't say, oh, I hope he go to hell. Because I'm running hell. He can't come there. He can't come here to hell. Go to Valhalla or wherever the fuck motherfuckers go. Love you, black women.